Yeah, hi, my name is Kevin.
I'm Gail.
Yeah, and
Welcome to our home. Because our wedding was very rustic and woody themed, so we decided to reuse some of the wood look and some of the wood materials, and so we came up with a very modern industrial theme. So it's not fully like industrial site, like factory site kind of rundown look, but it's modernish. So if you look around, you will see that there's a lot of modern elements, like more elegant kind of industrial look.
So I think it's a mix, yeah?
Yeah.
That's the general idea.
Yeah.
I think why we chose Promesa Artz, mainly one of the reasons, we compared a few IDs and we thought their price was pretty reasonable. And then I think after we met the representative, we found him to be quite easily approachable. And at the same time, the discussion, the way the discussion was shaped was quite conducive and quite good. And I think we were glad we chose him in the end, because also during the house renovation, there's a lot of these additional items, there's a lot of these things to be added or removed, and he was very accommodative to I would say almost all of it. So we had a good journey. I think I like basically most of the things in general, but I think I would say the master bedroom. I think maybe it's the same for you.
Yeah, I also like the master bedroom because I think the carpentry and the vinyl and also some of the laminates that are chosen it fits together very nicely. So the workmanship was also pretty good, and the wardrobe was also done in a way that we liked it, with full mirrors and minimalist look, but yet there is still that elegant industrial feel. So coupled with the master bedroom toilet also, when it was done, the carpentry was done quite well.
Yeah, so I guess that's a favorite part of our house. Yes, I would recommend Promesa Artz because I think they are genuine. I think they are very easy to work with and accommodative, and they actually would go out of their way to bring you on a journey through the whole path of actually renovating the house. So yes, I would recommend them.
Yeah, same for me. Our ID really went out of the way. Like even choosing tiles with us, spending like 3-4 hours just waiting for us to make our selection. So he was very patient and he gave a lot of his own tips and ideas and his experience. So I thought that it was quite a good experience overall.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.